this is Martin and Yanik for a King Camera news update. Now we've just released 1.03 of King Camera, and we thought it'd be a great opportunity to present to you the new features that are in 1.03, but also all the new features that we introduced since 1.0, and a sneak peek of what's coming up to 1.1, the big update we're working on right now. So maybe Yanik, you want to take us with the new things in 1.03?
Of course. So one of the new things in 1.03 is the white vignette. You guys asked for it, so we gave it to you. It's simple. It's still in the vignettes module in Perreault, but this time we added a white vignette setting, so it's customizable just like the black vignette, same thing, but now you have that nice soft dreamy look that you can put on your images. The next new feature is negative contrast. You guys asked for that one too, and I actually wanted that one as well. So basically in this one, the contrast slider goes both ways. Before you could only increase contrast, now you can reduce contrast.
We also added crop ratio 1.1, 1-to-1 ratio, which was a big feature that was asked by many of you out there. Yanik and I also wanted that feature. I don't know how we missed it in 1.0, but here it is in 1.03 just for you guys. And we also added recently rotation 90 degrees in case the image orientation is not to your liking. So you can now rotate in the crop module 90 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise. We also added, just for fun, in 1.03 a new frame. It is a printer registration frame. It was suggested by one of the users, and we thought, hey, why not? Let's make it original and bring it to King Camera.
It is a really nice frame as well.
I like it too.
Yeah, I like it too. Now let's talk about speed improvements.
Yeah.
We've done a lot of that. It's something in the background, but it's something that you guys will actually feel from 1.0 to 1.03. The first major one is the shutter button.
Shutter button in camera.
It's almost instantaneous now. It used to be around 2 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds between shots. Now it's almost instantaneous. You can take as many shots as you want, and you're sure not to miss out on that shot.
Absolutely.
Next.
Fast thumbs generation.
Exactly.
In Photodesk. If you import a photo from the camera roll, or if you take a photo with your camera, the thumbnails in Photodesk used to take about 5 seconds to generate. Right. Now it's 2 seconds. So it's pretty much blazing fast, more than 2 times faster now. We also improved generation of thumbnails in the Quickmatic module.
Of course. Before, every time you would bring a photo into the Quickmatic module, you'd have to wait roughly about 1/4 of a second for each thumb to generate. And now, if you're not actually in the Quickmatic module and your photos are in the Photodesk, they will generate the thumbs in the background. Isn't that pretty cool? Even if you put King Camera in the background of your device, it'll keep generating the thumbs. So once you go back into Quickmatic, poof, instantaneous, all your thumbnails are created.
So that's a great feature. I like that personally because it's really quick and fast, and it makes the overall application a lot faster. We also made a lot of visual tweaks in the application so far. The vignette module and the borders module received visual tweaks, mainly to have more larger preview of your photo. So we moved things around, the sliders and stuff, and this is something we're going to continue doing with the upcoming updates. Mainly, let's talk about 1.1.
Let's talk about 1.1.
The 1.1 that, I mean, personally, I would almost call it 2.0, but
Almost.
We just, it's very exciting. We got many new features coming up. Bring us with the first ones.
Well, the first ones are in the Perreault module. And we're adding new effects for you to play with and create brand new looks. We can't really talk about too much of it. We want to keep the suspense, the secret.
Yeah, big new effects to create brand new looks.
Well, actually, the texturizer. Let's talk about the texturizer. It's actually being revamped completely. Our programmers are working hard on that one. You guys wanted it. We wanted it. How about adding more than one texture to your photo?
Exactly. That's a big thing coming up, a new visual way of presenting it as well, but the ability of adding more than one texture on top of your photo. We are also working very hard on the visual enhancements of the King Camera applications, the user interface. We want it to make it a better user experience, larger photo previews overall in the modules, and enhanced user interface graphics as well overall in the application.
Yes, but but last but not least.
The last but not least, a big one, a personal favorite of mine. Go ahead.
Exactly. It's really a new feature that will be found in the photo desk, and it'll change the way you manage your photo looks. It's going to be lightning fast. You're going to go, wow, I can't believe no one thought about this before.
We don't want to say too much, but seriously, this is a big feature coming in the photo desk when you want to manage multiple photos and you're using your looks. And I don't want to say too much, but hey, it's going to be really good. I look forward to show you that feature.
Exactly. Well, there you have it. All that's been done since 1.0, since our release about 4 to 5 weeks ago. We've already done 3 updates. A 4th one is coming next week. I mean, we just keep on pumping those updates.
And thank you for your support. We have made the top 3 in the photo section of the App Store, which is excellent. We are so grateful for that. And also top 50 overall apps in the App Store. We reached up all the way up to 30. So, I mean, seriously, thank you for your support. Please pass the word around. Tell your friends about King Camera. This is the way it works. And with your support and your help, I mean, we're going to make this application top-notch.
Top-notch and #1.
So thank you very much, and we'll talk to you soon.
Bye-bye.